Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi 11T Pro with a broken display, and David is here to save the day. Let's get right into it. So we have this Xiaomi 11T Pro. It's still charging, but it's definitely needs some fresh display. Those white bands are not going anywhere unless we swap out this busted display that's not even responding to touch anymore to something brand new. We're gonna start off this repair by removing this back cover. The back cover is also broken, so that's a bummer, but we're gonna take good care of this Xiaomi. We're gonna start by removing the back cover. I'm gonna slowly do that. We don't want to incur more cracks on this already battered back cover. We'll take our time. We have already sped up the video, but it still took a bit more time. I'm gonna use some thinner prying tool here. There you go. Slice through the adhesive. Around. I'm gonna put some IPA to soften some parts. And slowly pry it off. You have this side here. Looks easy. David just makes it look easy, but it's not if you're doing this on your own. Trust me. We're gonna remove some screws that's covering the daughter board. Some smartphones, you have the connectors on the daughter board, and in this case, it's on the corner right here. And we're gonna attach this replacement display, see if it's showing us anything. Try to charge it, and it looks broken as well. So this is unfortunate. Some replacement screens are just not worth the hassle, so this one will go back to our supplier. Definitely gonna go back. I'm gonna put the plastic back here, and we're gonna try to document this. We're gonna take some photos. We have some issues with this one. We're gonna get another replacement display. We can't really give this to the client in this state. So this is a different unit. Let's try to turn this on. And it looks better. Looks normal. It's as it should be. We can't, I think, enter the... I can show you the passcode, but here we are in the home screen. You have the display, the cameras, all both working. So I guess we're good to go now. I'm gonna shut this down. It's showing us the Google prompt. It's not what we wanted. We have to shut this thing down. So we're gonna detach the display, put that to the side, and pry off the broken display. It's gonna be easy because I think the display connector is very short. Slice through the adhesive around. smartphone. And there you go. Remove that. Remember, on the corner you have the connector for the display. And there you have it. Very clean. Now we're gonna clean the housing. We're gonna get rid of the old adhesive so that when we install our brand new display, it will fit right in without any gaps. It's nice through there. Corners especially. Brush off. There you go. So if you want the Xiaomi 11T Pro that needs a new display or needs a new battery, you can head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or your local repair service center and save some cash by fixing your existing smartphones. Or if you have an old one that you want to give to your children, you want to give it to someone else, why buy something brand new when you have this capable smartphone that just needs a new battery or a new display? We're gonna install now the new display and it's gonna be it. We barely removed anything, just a few screws on the daughter board, and once we install the display, it's just gonna be reverse the process and put back the back cover. There you go. I'm gonna put back all the screws on this daughter board. Not really a very complicated process, so if you want to do this on your own, be my guest. Very easy. There you go. Xiaomi logo. I think we're gonna reuse the old back cover, which is still good. Nothing to worry about. And look at that. All working. Still at 1% battery. What a warrior this phone is. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. See you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.